Welcome to Health Solutions. Please like, share, and subscribe.
How to unclog arteries fast. This drink will unclog arteries and protects against heart diseases. Millions of people suffer from heart attack. In the US today, hypertension actually stretches artery wall and blood vessels and increases cholesterol levels. The main reason for the occurrence of heart disease is high cholesterol, where the fats from the food you consume accumulate in the lining of your blood vessels. Atheroma is getting formed from these fatty deposits. These deposits cause an inflammation in the wall of the blood vessels. The LDL levels can be controlled in several ways. Consumption of foods rich in fiber and antioxidants and low in fat. Raisins are full of antioxidants, low in fat, which protect the blood vessels, reduce and prevent the accumulation of bad cholesterol. Today we will present you an amazing recipe that prevents heart disease and unclogs arteries. Ingredients: 1. 2 tablespoons honey. 2. 1 liter purified water. 3. 4 teaspoons green tea. 4. A cup of washed and cleaned raisins. 5. 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Instructions: 1. Place the water and raisin in a pot and cook on low for 10 minutes. 2. Remove the pot from the heat and then add the ginger, honey and green tea. 3. By using a woolen lid, wrap the pot and then let the drink overnight. Strain the mixture in the morning and consume 150 to 200 milliliters per day before the meals. Raisins are rich in antioxidants, potassium, insoluble and soluble fiber, which have extremely beneficial effects to your heart. Fiber lowers cholesterol and promotes the excretion of the bile. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on like button. Please share this important video with your friends and family. If you have any question, please leaving a comment in the comment section below. We will try to answer with you as soon as possible. Please subscribe to our channel and share this channel on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and Google+. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.